today I'm going to show you our ano ganit man ang animals, farm animals. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pigs here. Also 1 ano dyan ganit? Ang bata soon to give birth pig, and then another 1, 2 pigs and 3 pigs. Also one na yun. Yes. And then here are their feeds. We stock the feeds over here. The feeds. Ay, kasi it's Odilim. That's all. Thank you. Then we also have chickens. Hello chickens, the basura. See? How many are you there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chickens. Hello chickens. Ay! Buto! Ay, buto! Ay! And then here we have pangsabong na manok. See? Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, be careful lang. Ay! Be careful. And then here are the Bisaya na manok. Look at their tae. It's green because I forgot them. See, it's green. Look at him. Oh my god, so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. We also have in front the chickens. It's empty there. There. Wow, so beautiful. Hello there. Totorook. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4. Vlogging. We have 2 chickens here, the breeders. See? And then the owner of the chicken. Ah?